Hey guys, so right now is currently August 26th, I believe, and I recently just became a homeowner. I got a mobile home for Justin and I to move into together. Since y'all know we are getting married next year, so we finally have a place of our own. No rental, no nothing like that, it's ours. So I'm gonna try and document some of the things that we are doing to kind of update this mobile home. Some of it I've already done, or begun the process of, but I'll show you guys what we have so far, and I'm just gonna share this process with you guys. So let me give you a little tour right now. Excuse the mess, because things are ripped up. There's construction going, so let me show you. So here we go with the main doorway, and we also have a little coat closet there. Probably gonna paint these, just kind of bring them up to date. We are redoing the flooring. As you can see, we have all this ripped up. Do got some water damage we have to replace there. But this is the living room area. So not bad. If we go over here, this is a front bedroom here. This one could use, it's got some paneling here, and then this here is wallpaper, so probably gonna redo some of this. Not sure if we'll do that right off the bat, but flooring is my first priority right now. So we have all this ripped up here. So there's that. And then we go this way. You come into the kitchen area. Our appliances are all taken out right now so we can do what we need to do. I painted this yesterday. I'll insert a picture of what this looked like before. So Courtney, include that now. But I am wiping down the kitchen cabinets because this had like this texturized stuff on it. I'm not a fan. So you can see it's wiping right off. Just gotta do a second wipe on this one. But eventually it will look like this. And we're going to be painting those. Just gonna try and brighten this. Oh, actually, hey, here is what it looked like before. So there you can kind of see I'm not tall enough to reach that. That's Justin's job. You can see I'm just painting it to this sage green color. So that's exciting. Here's where the stove will be. Right here I have a pantry. And then this is where like the dining room table will go. I have another pantry here and some cabinets up there. I'm gonna try and redo the wallpaper here. And there's some here. As you can see, some wallpaper damage, which I'll figure it out. I have a utility closet here, and then a little laundry area here. This goes out to the back area. Around here, here is the bathroom, which the bathroom was recently redone. So this is the one room that I don't really have to touch. So that's good. Just gotta do some cleaning. Then in here is the master bedroom. So as you can see, we have a bed in here right now, just leaned up against there. And again, all the flooring is ripped up. That was my knee that just snapped, if you heard that. But yeah, so it is a work in progress. So I will keep you guys kind of updated as we do things, but just wanted to document the process. So see you guys soon. Bye.